Welcome back, guys. This is Falgun again. So today we are discussing about Megasporogenesis. Let us understand the meaning of Megasporogenesis. Okay, what is Megasporogenesis? So it is a process. Okay, it is a process of formation of megaspores from the megaspore mother cell. Okay, from the megaspore mother cell, the megaspores are formed, and this process of formation is called megasporogenesis. Right? Totally clear. Now let us understand how this process actually takes place inside the ovary or ovule precisely. See, here you can observe this whole structure is the structure of ovule. Sorry, this is the structure of ovule. Okay, inside the ovule there is the presence of megaspore mother cell. Okay, this cell is called as a megaspore mother cell, which is diploid in nature. Diploid in the sense it has two sets of chromosome. I mean to say, that is the reason why I said it is diploid in nature, because it has two sets of chromosome. Okay, now moving forward, this cell undergoes meiosis 1. After meiosis 1, it forms two cells, so that is called megaspore dyad. Okay, so this is meiosis 1. Okay, after meiosis 1, it undergoes meiosis 2. Okay, short form I'm writing. Okay, as a result, and finally, after the whole process of meiosis, this megaspore mother cell gets converted into megaspore tetrad. What is the difference between megaspore mother cell and megaspore tetrad? Tetrad, the word tetrad resembles the combination of these four cells, the arrangement of these four cells. Okay, these four cells or four megaspores, this arrangement is called tetrad. Okay, so what is the difference between megaspore and megaspore mother cell? Megaspores are haploid in nature. Okay, while megas, as we have discussed right now, that megaspore mother cell is diploid in nature. So there is quite much of difference here. Coming to further process, what happens now? Out of these four megaspores present here, three will disintegrate. Disintegrate in the sense what? That is nothing but three cells will die. As a result, the survived megaspore gets converted into embryo sac. Understood? So that is what we are going to discuss in next slide. Here we go. So let us take the survived megaspore as this. Okay, this is the survived megaspore. So this megaspore is haploid in nature, right? So here what happens? Here what happens? Mitosis occurs. Mitosis occurs. Mitosis is a kind of process in which there is no reduction of chromosome numbers. The chromosome state will be same throughout the divisions. Okay, throughout the division, the chromosome numbers will be same. So there is no reduction, unlike meiosis. Okay, so what happens? The nucleus of megaspore now undergoes mitosis. As a result, two nuclei are formed, which is present in a single megaspore. So this stage is called two nucleate embryo sac. Then again it undergoes mitosis. From these two, four nuclei are formed. Then again it undergoes mitosis. From these two, four are formed, and from these two, again four nuclei are formed. In total, 8 nuclei are present in a single megaspore. Now what happens? there is no further division of mitosis takes place, okay, while this division stops here. Now arrangement of the nuclei occurs, okay. So what happens here is these three nuclei out of four in this top portion, these three nuclei out of these four gets arranged in this region, at the top region, or at the micropilar end or micropilar pole, okay. So these three nuclei are covered with some cytoplasm. As a result, now we call it as in cells, okay. These three nuclei arrange themselves in a way that now they have the cytoplasm around it and they form cell. So out of these three, one is egg cell, other two are synergids. While this nuclei gets gets into the center portion, center region, okay. So in the bottom region, what happens? One nucleus out of four nuclei gets into the center, okay, while other three gets arranged. These three nuclei arranged in a such a way they gather some cytoplasm and they form cell, and these cells are called antipodal cells. Now coming to the center region, what actually happens here is you can able to see there is one new nucleus from the top region. It just entered to the center region, okay, and other nucleus is from the bottom region, okay. These two nuclei are present in the center region. These two nuclei, without fusion, they arrange themselves in a single cell by gathering some cytoplasm, and this single cell contains two nuclei, but these two nuclei are not fused. This cell which is present in the center region is called central cell, which has two polar nuclei, and the nuclei present in the central cell are called polar nuclei. As simple as it is. So this is the mature structure of embryo sac. Now in this embryo sac we can able to see there is presence of three synergids, okay. Sorry, that is not three, that is two synergids and one egg cell, okay, at the micropilar end, okay. While in center we can able to observe there is presence of only one cell, that is called as an central cell. In that central cell we can able to observe here there is presence of two polar nuclei, okay. At the basal region, what happens? There is presence of three antipodal cells. So this is the structure of mature embryo sac. So this was all about it. Thank you for joining in. Have a good day. Falun signing out.